Hey y'all, this is Mariah from the Petite Planner, and here's my November plan with me using very simple supplies. Once again, this month I'm going to use stickers, and these all come from this same sticker book, the Carpe Diem Seasons. I will link it below because if you want super simple setups with cute, it has a page for every month. It'll help you decide your colors, it'll give you a theme, and I'm going to show you some very easy spreads to use with these stickers. I'm going to use my Magic Fly markers. Once again, this is one of my favorite sets. It's 100 colors, easy to match with stickers, and pretty cheap. So I highly recommend them. You also need a pencil, an eraser, and then a ruler. I've liked the notebook I've used this year, and if you want to try it, it is linked below. It's a good size. It's held up well. So enough about that for a second. Let's talk about this basic calendar spread that I'm going to use here. You do need a black pen, and I'm going to use my Micron here, which is gives me a pretty dark, heavy line that I prefer. But you can really use almost any black pen. And the Magic Fly set has a great black marker in it. So all you have to do here is measure your notebook, figure out your spacing on yours to get the 30 boxes you'll need. In November, the 1st is a Monday. I am filming this on Monday the 1st. I was not ahead of the game. So it's pretty easy to lay out your calendar. I like to erase any extra boxes I've sketched out and only have the boxes for the days that I need so that I can put stickers and color in the rest of the space. Once you all have the basic calendar down, then you're going to start to label. I leave a space for notes on the side, and then I just label this. I number the months. If you were with me last month, you know I messed this up. But look, I got November right, y'all. And this is me just using all of my own handwriting. No fancy lettering for this at all. You don't need it unless you want it. And I got distracted by the y'all. Someone commented last month that I say y'all too much. And I don't really know what to do about that because that's just the way I talk in real life. But anyway, so here's the notes section. I'm just going to label this with all capitals, kind of a skinny letter. I do try to change up my own handwriting a little bit, but otherwise I don't do much. There was a sticker, here it is. There was a sticker in this set that says "So Thankful For," and I thought I could stick it in this bottom part and have it be like a little mini gratitude section. So I want to put it right here, but I don't know about the fold, the bin in the book. I'm gonna stick it over. I don't want to bend the sticker and have it go right down the middle there. But now I have an area that's for gratitude and my normal notes. One of the easiest ways to distinguish areas in your journal is with color. So I'm just doing every other line yellow here to kind of say this is the notes section. And then to do the little gratitude section, I'm going to do a different color little box. And that sets them apart without being complicated. And now we have sticker time. This sticker set is awesome because it has a little month header for every month. So that's perfect for the calendar spread. And I am just going to use some of these stickers I love all over the place. You don't have to think about it too much, except that one is too big. So let's get a smaller one. But you can do this. I like to take some of the tinier stickers. Is tinier a word? The smaller, more tiny. The smaller stickers I like to put in the calendar for a pop of color. And then the bigger ones all around the edge. And don't be afraid to use too many. I have yet to run out. And actually, I usually go back later and add more. But that right there is a super easy spread. And if you want a little more color, just add it. You don't need anything complicated. I'm literally just using the brush side of these markers to add color. And there it is, a November calendar spread that doesn't take very long and is super easy to do. So now I've got a weekly spread that takes just one side of the paper so you can fit 2 weeks across. It's 6 boxes with the weekend sharing a box. And once again, I just measured this out for my notebook. Once you measure this once, you're going to be golden. You're going to be able to throw this into your own notebook so quick. So if you're looking for a quick setup, I highly recommend these because once you've done it, you'll know your measurements for your notebook and then you'll be able to just whip them out. So there's 1 week and you can label this kind of however you want. This time I think I'm going to put the day of the week at the top. Sometimes I put the number and then sometimes I flip them. Saturday and Sunday do share a box. And then I'm going to put the numbers at the bottom this time. And sometimes I flip that, like I said. I grabbed 2 colors that I'm going to add to this page, and then we'll add stickers. So I use 1 color across the top for the days of the week, and the second color at the bottom. And then we're going to break out our stickers to personalize this page. So you can really do these weekly spreads, I mean, in minutes, y'all. And you don't need anything special. A ruler, markers, and stickers. So it's so basic and so easy to do. For me, these also work very well. They have a lot of space to write and to plan. So they make sense. They're cute and they make sense. They're usable. What else can you ask for, right? What do you need in your pages? So when I do the next week, I usually use a different color combo so that they stand apart from each other. And it's great if you have a couple colors that you've matched with your stickers. You can easily switch them around. I'm having trouble talking today. So more stickers, add more color. And in just a few more minutes, you can do this. You can do a whole month. I'm showing you 2 weeks. You would need 4 to 5, depending on how you do it, for November. But seriously, these weekly pages can be set up in no time at all. Keeping with the theme of quick and easy, I'm going to show you on this page how to do a combination habit tracker and mood tracker. So if you're looking to save space or you just want something that's minimalist, although I say that and then I'm going to add a ton of stickers. You can do both on one page. So I'm going to do the habits here on the left, and then mood will be on the right side of the page. All I've done here is go down 30 spaces, and I'm going to give each day 1 little block to mark off for my habits. So this is super basic, works great for any month really, as long as you're not, I guess, using a super tiny journal. But there you have 30 spaces. You could number them if you want. I track 3 habits, but you could fit a bunch across the page if you do more. As you can see, you could put habits all in one page and have like 8 to 10 of them. I can't do that. I would be in trouble, y'all. So here's what I'm working on. If you know me and you've been with me, you know what I continue to work on. Sleep, good sleep habits, exercise, and drinking enough water. Those are still my habits I'm working on and have been all year and may work on forever, you guys. What are some of your habits? I would love to hear some ideas. I wish I'd mastered these this year, but whatever. So comment and let me know what you're working on habit-wise. I just labeled habits with my own handwriting, and now we're going to do the mood side of things. This is very similar. Again, I'm just drawing down 30, but I'm going to do 2 columns so I can have bigger boxes for tracking my mood. And I have mood. You could do 1, but I track anxiety and depression if you've been following me. So I will have a column here for anxiety, and I've messed this up. So apparently we will not be error-free this month. I did not go down far enough. I need 1 extra space. But it's okay. You guys, it's okay. I'm going to fix it. And it will be fine. It'll be perfect. Everything is fine. But let me show you some of the stuff I do use when I have an error. Let me draw this. And then I use either my white jelly roll pen, which works well if you're not using a very bold black. This is a pretty bold black pen. So you're going to see it helps. And I'm actually going to number these squares, so that could be enough to just go with it. Or the newest addition to my life is this whiteout tape that works pretty well too. So I'll link both of these in the description. Maybe you want to own both. I mean, I recommend it if you're building out your supplies. But anyways, we survived that, and I'm going to label these anxiety and depression. And then let me label this. Okay, and I'm going to add the key right along here in this little space. So for what I do is I rate them on a number scale. This is what I learned with my therapist. Where the low scale, the 1 to 2, is really calm day, low anxiety, low depression, and then all the way up to 9, 10, which is not great. I only have 4 colors of markers, so let me pull out just my little bag of pens. This is my cute bag of extra supplies. I'm gonna pull this one out and just to use some red here. We don't want a lot of red. It might match the color scheme, but we don't want 9, 10 days. Put my little bag away. And then this is what I'm gonna use each day. And I made the boxes bigger so I could even split them, AM, PM. If you want, I don't always do this, but you can number these so you know what day of the month you're on. And then since this is the 1st, let me go ahead and show you what I'm planning this month. So my morning has been a 1 to 2 on anxiety. You could color in the whole box if you want to do a daily. I'm actually going to do, I think, a morning and afternoon, or morning, evening, AM, PM. So my morning, super low anxiety, I'm going to do the blue. And then at the end of the day, I'm going to see what the rest of the day was like and kind of track how it goes along. And I'll do that for depression separately. Last step, of course, is to decorate it all. This is where I start to use stickers that are left. Use them all up. Add the cute factor. And this is where the big stickers often fit. I usually have a lot of white space here. But how cute is that? And it is super practical. You will use it. Okay, this is what I was talking about. If you have extra stickers, you don't have to use them, or go back to your spreads and add more stickers. Yeah, I'm a little crazy. I love stickers. You like stickers? Like, comment and let me know if you love stickers. I need more people who love stickers in my life, y'all. And I hope this super simple layout and spreads have helped you get some ideas for this month. I appreciate all of your support. Be sure to subscribe, hit like, and if you have any questions or concerns, please comment or hit me up with an email, and I would love to chat with y'all. I hope you have a great November, and thank you again. Bye, guys.